somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever, love is forever.
Hi guys, welcome to a vlog. I can't believe it. I feel like I haven't vlogged in forever, and actually I haven't vlogged in forever. So welcome to another video. Anyway, so today's video I'm gonna kind of do like a food diary, but let's be real, I like to talk. I talk all the time, so it's gonna be kind of like vlog style. So as you would have already seen, the kids have already, Lucy wants to say hi. Say hi, you need to go put some clothes on. Okay, so it's gonna be kind of like a food diary slash vlog slash catch up. Yes, all those good stuff. Anyway, let's address my hair first. It has changed color. It is like, I don't even know what you call it. It's like a brown auburn with highlights. It's multicolored. So I have been dyeing my hair black for like 10 years. So there was lots of black dye build up. I'm naturally a very light brown slash dirty blonde color. I was blonde as a child, like a golden color. So that is my natural hair color, and that is what I'm trying to get back to. And this is the middle process, because if anyone is out there and knows hairdressers or is a hairdresser, you know that black is really hard to remove out of your hair, especially if you have been dyeing it consistently for 10 years straight. Hi, you're back, you got clothes on, awesome. So this is the middle ground. Do you want to say hello again? Hi. So this is part one of stripping the black out of my hair. They dyed my roots a little darker. I think they're trying to blend it out so it doesn't look so crazy. But the first sort of bleach just kind of still had. But we are in a transition period. There are, like at the front, it held a lot of the black, so that was still really dark, and the rest kind of went orange when we tried to bleach it. So they put a color over it. They're trying guys, and I actually really like this color. I've never been this color in my life, and I don't know, I think because it's anything but black, it's like really new and exciting to me, but I'm really digging it. Let me know what you guys think, but this isn't the finished product. This is just transitional hair. Anyway, kids already had breakfast. I put Ezra down to a nap. On Thursdays, when I'm on my own with the kids, I usually don't have breakfast myself until Ezra goes down to sleep, because he literally wants to eat everything that I have in my hands, and that's super freaking annoying. So I'm going to make my breakfast, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. And also another update is we got a new fridge. Our other fridge died, and it is this sleek, so nice black fridge, because I want black appliances. I hate stainless steel. So black it is. This is our new fridge. It's all nicely stocked, lots of beer, wine, cheeses, you know, all the necessities in life. So we are all stocked up for the week. So I really love my new fridge. So yeah, new fridge. And you are currently resting in my new fridge. Anyway, let's not be totally dorkish and decide what I'm having for breakfast. I think I'm going to go with an oldie but a goodie, which I haven't had in a super long time. Why aren't I focused? Which I haven't had in a super long time. Shout out if you have been watching our channel for like ever and you remember me having this for breakfast all the time. But I'm going to have ricotta, honey, bananas on crumpets. So that is what I'm gonna eat today. Oh, And it also has a fridge down the bottom, which I totally dig and prefer than having a fridge on top. So, super cool. Now we need some honey and a banana. Ugh. I should probably just get a small one. And a banana. And that is breakfast served. I do usually put cinnamon, ground cinnamon, whatever, on top. But we've all got into my spices and I had to throw them all out. So yes, yum yum yum. Did you have a good sleep? Did you have a good sleep?
Can I get a video?
Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
We are about to go make lunch, aren't we?
Yeah.
What are we having?
Sandwiches.
You're gonna have some sandwiches, and I think Mommy's gonna have pizza. Pizza.
Can we have sandwiches and pizza?
Yeah, we're gonna have sandwiches and pizza. Measure's leaving.
I'm not leaving.
Cheese.
I want to be
Guess what? We're eating again. So it is 10 to 1. So a little late on the lunch side. And I'm being lazy. I'm gonna put my favorite old frozen pizza on. Just keeping it real. And Lucy wanted some. My hair looks crazy in this light. I swear to God, it's not that orange, guys. Yes, I know you wanted honey. Lucy asked for honey sandwich. So we're gonna do that. And we're gonna cut up some fruit. So that is what we're eating right now. with the monkeys? Playing with the monkeys? You got the monkeys? Where's your monkey, Ezra? Okay, so change in plans. We have the kids are having jam sandwiches because Lucy changed her mind mid me making it as usual. Some cut up pink lady apples and a little moochies. Ezra, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Okay, so this is the kids' lunch. Come on. Oh, look at this mess, guys. Here's what's happening after lunch. We're picking up our toys. We're picking up our toys. Okay, come on, buddy. Come sit down. Milo, out. Can you come sit down? Good job.
I'm gonna eat my apple.
So while the kids are having lunch and I'm waiting for, you know, my super healthy frozen pizza to cook, I thought I would update with you guys on a few things. I still can't get over my hair. It's such a weird color. Anyway, what was I saying? So I haven't really vlogged that much since coming home from Japan. I am putting out all of those vlogs every Sunday, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. So besides Japan, I got the flu when I got back. I got a stomach bug. My immune has been really shitty, to be honest. So that has been shit. We had a few hiccups, as we always do. This year has just been a year of hiccups, basically. Like our fridge went. It's been pretty shit, guys. But me and Luke did go to the races. I'll insert some pictures. But yeah, that was super fun. We had a great day out. Blew heaps of money, which we probably shouldn't have, but yeah, it was a really good day though. So yeah, just life has just been, like, the last couple of months, just difficult. Actually, this year has been a bit of a difficult one, but I have been feeling really good health-wise the last week or two. The kids have been good. Ezra is teething, hence the snotty nose and dribble everywhere that you've probably seen in the vlog. Lucy's been pretty good. I still can't believe that she starts prep school next year. So that's crazy. Luke is doing good. He's going on a boys' night this Saturday night. So I'll probably vlog this weekend because it would just be me and the kids. Just trying to stay home, trying to eat better. I say this while I have a frozen pizza for lunch. But yeah, just trying not to get sick again and keep my house somewhat in order. We are still saving for our house, which is sort of happening and sort of not happening. So we're definitely not in the position with our savings than I thought we would have been. But again, things have come up, and I guess I should be glad that we cash flowed those things and we didn't have to put it on credit, but still annoying. What else is happening? What else is happening? What else is happening? And that was what I was trying to remember, is I am planning and kind of fine-tuning our wedding for next year. If you missed that video or you missed the news, we actually cancelled our wedding and we have decided to elope. Yeah, so we decided to elope. We have booked a 2.5 week, 2 week, I think it's 2 weeks, 2 week Mediterranean cruise over in Europe, which is so amazing. So we're actually going to get married in Barcelona. Me and Luke are going to fly to Barcelona and spend a few days there. Our cruise leaves from Barcelona, then we cruise around the Mediterranean for 2 weeks. We come back to Barcelona, then we fly to Amsterdam, and we stay in Amsterdam on a houseboat for another 4 days, and then we get on a plane and come home. So it's about just over 3 weeks, I think, holiday and getting married. So that's been amazing. We booked our cruise a little while ago, so that's all organized, and I am about to buy our plane tickets to set in the dates, so that'll probably be happening in the next fortnight. I want to have the plane tickets locked down. I think we're going to fly Singapore Airlines, and I've booked our accommodation for Barcelona, and I'm in the process of selecting a houseboat to stay in Amsterdam, and I'm in talks with a wedding planner to organize our elopement. So it's really happening. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna do, yeah, well, he's gonna get in trouble. So I think I'm gonna do a whole separate video on the organizing of our elopement and more details of our trip, like where we're going, what hotels we are staying in, the cruise, how we're organizing the elopement. So if you were keen for that, make sure you like this video. But yeah, that is all my updating. Cue more food. And this is my lunch. 3 pieces of vegetarian pizzas and some strawberries. And if you're new here, I don't think I've mentioned, but we are a vegetarian family.
You can have a steak.
Because apparently I can't eat my lunch without the kids needing to eat something too. They're just having half each of one of these 100% true fruit, kind of like fruit bar things. No added sugar. Show me what they look like. So that's what they look like?
Yeah.
They're like little fruit things.
I already took a bite of it.
You did. You did. Because these kids never stop eating. And that over there is Ezra's lunch that he won't eat. He had the cheese and some of the apple, which he kind of spat some on the ground, and none of the sandwich. What are you getting? And why don't you finish off the strawberries? There's 3 in the box, you can take the box.
Why? Because I don't like all the yellow bits or green bits.
I'll cut them off.
But I don't like the really clumpy ones.
Okay, well then we're not eating the strawberries then.
Yeah.
I'll cut you up a red apple, a green apple, a mandarin.
Skin off though.
No, I'm not peeling skins off apples. That's not what happens, because the skin is good for you. So you can either have these 3 strawberries, a red apple or a green apple. Quickly, or a banana.
Red apple.
And what do you say?
Thank you, but can I have it cut up?
And what do you say?
Thank you.
No, you say please, Mum.
Please.
I'm also feeding my little string plant. It's like a big moss ball covered in string that has this plant on it. I've had it since Mother's Day. The brand is The String Garden. I'll link them down below. They're a local Cairns company They are amazing. I can't wait to get another one to add to my little family. So I'm watering that guy. I also watered this one, which is doing really well. I brought this pot the other day, so I do need to pot it into that pot. I might do that on the weekend. So this is a pothos. Can that focus? Probably not, but it's that plant. But he's doing really well. And I also watered the little fiddle leaf, I'm pretty sure it's called. And Ezra is eating a banana. And Daddy just got home.
Where's your plate, Ezra? Plate?
Are you giving in that much?
Oh, Lucy. This is his. This is Lucy's.
That is Lucy's. Yeah.
I reckon if he likes it, he's going to eat that easily.
Hot.
Touch it. He's got to learn.
Hot.
Don't get far.
Hey, buddy.
Really small.
Is that Ezra's? Lucy's as well. Dinner served. Yum, yum, yum. Does it look yummy, Ezra? She says. Yes, dinner's ready. Do you want to come see? What, like zoom in on your face? With that dirty
So
coleslaw?
after the shower, after all the water, it was just that really tense.
Okay, that's nice. We don't need to hear the ins and outs of your coleslaw.
You don't put it in the bloody channel.
I didn't. Yum, yum, yum. Frittata. Stop grabbing the handle.
Eat though, like